Liam was a bright boy, always curious and full of questions. But lately, something had changed. Even though he scored well in school, a strange pressure lived constantly in his mind. Every night he lay awake thinking, how do people become great? How do I find my purpose? What if I fail? What if I never achieve anything meaningful? Slowly, Liam stopped smiling. He avoided his friends and spent most of his time alone in his room. His grandmother, who loved him dearly, noticed everything. One quiet evening, when the sun was painting the sky orange, she called him to the terrace. A small old lantern sat beside her. "Liam, my child," she said softly, "your eyes look tired. What burdens your little heart?" Liam sighed. "Grandma, everyone says life is a race. They say I must become the best, achieve big things, and never fail. But I don't know what path leads to real success. I feel lost." His grandmother smiled gently, picked up the lantern, and placed it in his hands. "This simple lantern," she said, "holds 5 lights, and each light teaches a truth about life. If you understand them, you will never feel lost again." Liam looked puzzled. "A lantern? How can it help me, Grandma?" "Sit close," she said. "Let me show you." The first light, guidance. She lit the lantern's first flame. A lantern cannot shine on its own. Someone has to light it. Similarly, no one becomes great alone. You need teachers, parents, mentors, and even friends to guide your steps. Accept help. It is not weakness, it's wisdom. Liam nodded slowly. The second light, challenges. She lit the second flame. Wind sometimes shakes a lantern, trying to put out its light, but the lantern learns to protect its flame. Life will challenge you too. Pain, failures, and struggles will come. Don't fear them. They make your inner flame stronger. Liam's eyes softened. He understood this flame deeply. The third light, second chances. The third flame flickered alive. If the lantern goes dark, you can light it again. In life, too, mistakes happen. Wrong choices happen, but nothing ends there. You can begin again. Every new beginning is proof of your courage. Liam felt a warmth in his chest. The fourth light, inner worth. She lit the fourth flame. The beauty of a lantern is not its metal frame. It is the glow inside. People may look strong or successful outwardly, but what matters is their inner qualities: truth, kindness, respect, courage. She touched his heart gently. Your true worth lives here, not in trophies. Liam felt something inside him shift. The fifth light, impact. The final flame brightened the whole terrace. Wherever this lantern shines, darkness disappears. In the same way, your actions, your words, your character, they leave a mark. Live in such a way that when you walk through someone's life, you leave it brighter than before. Liam looked at all 5 glowing flames. The lantern seemed alive, like it was speaking to him. A deep realization dawned in his eyes. Grandma, real success isn't about being better than others. It's about being better inside, learning, growing, helping, and shining in someone's life. She smiled and hugged him. That's the truth, Liam. Greatness doesn't come from pressure. It comes from purpose, and purpose comes from within. For the first time in months, Liam felt light and peaceful. The lantern had shown him the path, not to be the best in the world, but to be the best version of himself. And that night, as the 5 lights glowed softly in the breeze, Liam made a silent promise. I will shine wherever I go.